Hello, let's talk about your gut. It's amazing. It helps you digest food and stay healthy. But sometimes our gut gets inflamed. This can make us uncomfortable. This essay will teach you how to reduce gut inflammation. We'll discuss what to eat and what to avoid. You'll learn about acid reflux and how to manage it. Are you ready for a happier gut? Let's begin. Imagine your gut is like a pipe. Food travels through it. Inflammation is like the pipe getting a bit swollen. This makes it harder for food to pass through. When your gut is inflamed, you might feel bloated or gassy. You might have diarrhea or constipation. It's not fun, but don't worry, we can help your gut feel better. Many things can cause gut inflammation. One culprit is processed food. These foods are full of ingredients your body doesn't recognize. Another cause is high acid foods. These foods can irritate your stomach lining. Spicy foods and citrus fruits are examples. Finally, a diet low in fiber can also be a problem. Fiber is like a broom for your gut. It helps things move along. The good news is that certain foods can help. Let's start with probiotics. Probiotics are like tiny helpers for your gut. They add good bacteria to your digestive system. You can find probiotics in yogurt and fermented foods. Sauerkraut and kimchi are good choices. Alkaline foods can also help. These foods neutralize acid in your stomach. Leafy greens and cucumbers are great alkaline options. Taming the fire, managing acid reflux. Acid reflux happens when stomach acid flows back up your esophagus. This backward flow, known as acid reflux, can irritate the lining of your esophagus and cause discomfort. It's a common condition that many people experience occasionally. This can cause heartburn and a sour taste in your mouth. Heartburn is a burning pain in the chest, just behind the breastbone, and it often occurs after eating or at night. Certain foods can trigger acid reflux. These include fried foods, which are high in fat and can cause the lower esophageal sphincter to relax, allowing stomach acid to escape. Fatty meats such as bacon and sausage and chocolate, which contains caffeine and theobromine, can also be culprits. Coffee and alcohol can also be triggers. Both beverages can relax the lower esophageal sphincter, making it easier for stomach acid to flow back into the esophagus. To manage acid reflux, try eating smaller meals more often. Large meals can put pressure on the stomach, causing acid to back up into the esophagus. Avoid lying down after eating. Staying upright for at least 3 hours after a meal can help prevent acid from flowing back into the esophagus. Chewing sugar-free gum after meals can also help. The act of chewing increases saliva production, which can help neutralize stomach acid and wash it back down into the stomach. Bariatric-friendly bites. Nourishing your new tummy. After bariatric surgery, you need to be extra careful with your diet. Your stomach is smaller now. Focus on eating small, frequent meals. Choose lean protein sources like fish, chicken, and beans. Soft fruits and cooked vegetables are also good choices. Avoid sugary drinks and processed foods. These foods won't provide the nutrients your body needs. A week of delicious digestion. Your sample meal plan. Here's a sample meal plan to get you started. This plan is designed to provide balanced nutrition, variety, and delicious flavors to keep you satisfied throughout the week. Let's dive in and explore each day's meals in detail. Monday, breakfast oatmeal with berries and a dollop of Greek yogurt. This hearty breakfast is packed with fiber and antioxidants, giving you a great start to your day. The Greek yogurt adds a creamy texture and a boost of protein. Lunch salad with grilled chicken and a light vinaigrette. This meal is light yet filling, providing lean protein from the chicken and a variety of vitamins and minerals from the fresh vegetables. The vinaigrette adds a tangy flavor without too many extra calories. Dinner. Baked salmon with steamed broccoli and quinoa. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health. Paired with nutrient-dense broccoli and protein-packed quinoa, this dinner is both delicious and nutritious. Tuesday. Breakfast. Scrambled eggs with spinach and a slice of whole wheat toast. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein and essential nutrients, while spinach adds a dose of iron and vitamins. The whole wheat toast provides complex carbohydrates to keep you energized. Lunch lentil soup with a side of whole grain crackers. Lentils are a great plant-based protein source, and this soup is both hearty and comforting. The whole grain crackers add a satisfying crunch and extra fiber. Dinner. Turkey meatballs with zucchini noodles and marinara sauce. This low-carb dinner is packed with flavor. The turkey meatballs are lean and protein-rich, while the zucchini noodles are a great alternative to traditional pasta. The marinara sauce ties it all together with a burst of tomato goodness. Wednesday. Breakfast smoothie with Greek yogurt, berries, and spinach. This smoothie is a powerhouse of nutrients. The Greek yogurt provides protein, the berries add antioxidants, and the spinach offers a boost of vitamins and minerals. It's a quick and easy way to start your day on a healthy note. Lunch: leftover turkey meatballs with zucchini noodles and marinara sauce. Utilizing leftovers is a great way to save time and reduce food waste. This meal is just as delicious the next day, and the flavors have had even more time to melt together. Dinner: chicken stir-fry with brown rice. Stir-fries are a fantastic way to incorporate a variety of vegetables into your diet. The chicken provides lean protein, and the brown rice adds fiber and essential nutrients. This meal is both colorful and satisfying. Thursday: breakfast: cottage cheese with sliced peaches and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Cottage cheese is a great source of protein and calcium. The peaches add natural sweetness and vitamins, while the cinnamon provides a warm, comforting flavor. Lunch: salad with grilled tofu and a light vinaigrette. Tofu is an excellent plant-based protein, and grilling it adds a delicious smoky flavor. The fresh vegetables and light vinaigrette make this salad both refreshing and nutritious. Dinner: baked cod with roasted sweet potatoes and asparagus. Cod is a lean fish that's high in protein and low in fat. The roasted sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates and a touch of sweetness, while the asparagus adds fiber and essential vitamins. Friday: breakfast: chia seed pudding with almond milk and berries. Chia seeds are a superfood packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. When combined with almond milk and berries, they create a delicious and nutritious breakfast that's perfect for starting your day. Lunch: leftover chicken stir-fry with brown rice. Leftovers make for a quick and convenient lunch. The flavors of the chicken stir-fry are even more pronounced the next day, and the brown rice provides a satisfying base. Dinner: vegetarian chili with a dollop of Greek yogurt. This chili is hearty and full of flavor, thanks to a variety of beans and vegetables. The Greek yogurt adds a creamy texture and a bit of tang, making this meal both comforting and nutritious. Saturday: breakfast: whole wheat pancakes with berries and a drizzle of maple syrup. These pancakes are a healthier take on a classic breakfast favorite. The whole wheat flour adds fiber, while the berries provide natural sweetness and antioxidants. A drizzle of maple syrup ties it all together. Lunch: salad with chickpeas and a light vinaigrette. Chickpeas are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber. This salad is both filling and refreshing, with a light vinaigrette that enhances the flavors of the fresh vegetables. Dinner: veggie burgers on whole wheat buns with a side of sweet potato fries. These veggie burgers are packed with flavor and nutrients. The whole wheat buns add fiber, and the sweet potato fries are a healthier alternative to regular fries, providing vitamins and a touch of sweetness. Sunday: breakfast: omelette with vegetables and a slice of whole wheat toast. This omelette is a great way to start your day with a variety of vegetables and protein. The whole wheat toast adds complex carbohydrates to keep you full and energized. Lunch: leftover vegetarian chili. Leftovers make for a quick and easy lunch. The flavors of the vegetarian chili are even more pronounced the next day, making this meal both convenient and delicious. Dinner: roasted chicken with roasted vegetables. This classic dinner is both simple and satisfying. The roasted chicken is juicy and flavorful, while the roasted vegetables add a variety of textures and nutrients. It's a perfect way to end the week on a healthy note. Ready for more? Resources for a healthier gut. There are many resources available to help you maintain a healthy gut. You can find cookbooks specifically designed for gut health and bariatric-friendly diets. These resources can provide you with even more delicious and easy-to-follow recipes. They can also offer helpful tips and tricks for managing your gut health. Remember, knowledge is power. Listen to your gut, a journey to wellness. This section is all about understanding the importance of gut health and how it impacts your overall well-being. Taking care of your gut is a journey. It involves more than just eating the right foods. It's about adopting a lifestyle that supports your digestive system. This means being mindful of what you eat, how you eat, and even when you eat. It's about making conscious choices that support your overall well-being. Regular exercise, adequate hydration, and stress management are all crucial components of maintaining a healthy gut. By incorporating gut-friendly foods and avoiding triggers, you can reduce inflammation and improve your digestion. Foods rich in fiber, probiotics, and prebiotics are particularly beneficial. Remember to listen to your body. Pay attention to how different foods and activities make you feel. Your body often gives you signals about what it needs and what it doesn't. Every person is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's important to find what works best for you through trial and error. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel and adjust your diet accordingly. Keeping a food journal can be a helpful tool in identifying patterns and triggers. Start your journey towards a happier, healthier gut today. Embrace the process, be patient with yourself, and celebrate the small victories along the way. Are you ready to take control of your gut health, manage acid reflux, and stay on track with your bariatric journey? I've created the ultimate guides just for you. Inside, you'll find delicious, easy-to-follow recipes and meal plans designed to reduce inflammation, support digestion, and keep you feeling your best. Click the link below to grab your copies of the Anti-Inflammatory Recipe Book. Heal your gut with nourishing, inflammation-fighting meals. The Bariatric-Friendly Recipe Book. Perfectly portioned, nutrient-rich recipes to support post-surgery success. Exclusive meal plans. Take the guesswork out of meal prepping with structured weekly plans. Don't wait, start your journey to a healthier, happier you today. Click below and get your recipe books now. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more wellness tips and recipes. See you in the next one.